well do you know Enugu State? In fact, how well do you know the city of Enugu? Who can tell me where we started this video from? Okay, I'm gonna wait for that response at the comment section. Meanwhile, just my normal way of showing you the beautiful city of Enugu State. Okay, today's video is actually quite not too long. Yes, that's because it's just an overview of few areas that we are yet to cover. So if I should tell you where we are, then it means I'm giving you a clue, but then I'm just still gonna do that. Okay, you know, you can connect to Obiagu from different axes of Enugu State. You can connect to Obiagu from Ziks Avenue. Okay, you can also connect to Obiagu through Presidential Road. So the video started from Ziks Avenue by Edinburgh. So I'm just going to turn at Onuasata. Okay, next time I'll go to Ogbete, I'll go to Holy Ghost and show you the market. So today I'm just going to turn at Onuasata. That's the roundabout that connects Onuasata to Holy Ghost. So we'll turn there to go back to the other axis where you can connect to Obiagu. So keep watching. So it means we started from Ziks Avenue connecting to Ogui Road, and then we go into Presidential Road. Yeah, so just to show you the two different routes you can apply if you are going into Obiagu. Keep watching, keep enjoying yourself. Do not forget to always drop your comments at the comment section. Tell me the places you've not seen for a long while and you'd like me to make the video and show to you. Tell me also the places you would like to invest in the city of Enugu State and you need a video of it. Okay, just go ahead and express your feelings. Tell me what you want and I'm just going to be a good girl and give you what you want. Yeah, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That is the only time you could get a notification whenever I post any of my videos. You wouldn't know that video that would be of great help to you. So if you turn on the notification bell, you'll be getting all the videos, and then maybe someday you will see the one that will be of a good benefit and of great importance. Yeah, so keep watching, keep enjoying yourself. I am still your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Loveth Aneke. Call or WhatsApp me on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.